That's yours.
So fix, daddy fix it.
No, ghost. 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 No, Charlie. Yours. 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 No, yours.
Cart is fixing the car now. Unboxing.
It's not a flat here. Open up the
Orders. Where's the orders? Get orders.
Where's the source?
Yeah.
Why you take his apple juice?
Oh, daddy's juice. How juice.
Yeah, Curtis. She take your apple juice. Spank her. Spank her for doing your apple juice.
Where are you going? Oh, you have a license? The little driver. Curtis is the little driver. Where are you going? Eh? Huh? You going to downtown? Wow, you know how to drive. Good job. Say hi everyone. This is for Christmas gift from my grandma. Say for your grandma. Say shout out to grandma. Thank you for my gift. I hope more gift coming. So thank you grandma. I like your gift. Oh, you crush. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.